One of the first week assignments in the first 5 days is to have students create an assessment. Some of you have asked, can students reply to assessments through videos? And the answer is yes. I will show you how. Click Add Materials and Add Assessment. Once in the assessment, you want to title it First Day of School, and it's already in there. If you click a due date, it will be added to your calendar. A category, we're going to add this as homework. Professional development is the class that I'm in, and you want your grade scale to be standards based. Once you've set those, click Create. Here, you will add your instructions. Please answer the following questions. These are the default settings set by Schoology. You can change them if you would like to. Click Save. Now you are ready to add your questions. On the left side, you're able to see all of the choices you have to create your assessments. You're going to click File, you're going to click Video. Once you click Video, you're going to set up your question here. Please upload a video of you jumping and skipping. You're going to go to the bottom and see where it says Learning Objectives. If you click the proper learning objectives, it will link it to your grade book and the standards will already be set for you. Aligning a rubric is something you do not have to do right now. Once you have your question, click Save. Your question is ready, and now you can preview what your students will see. At the top, click Preview, and you can start your first attempt. On here, you will see a box come up where the students are able to record and pause their videos. When you're finished adding your video there, click Review and Finish. That's what the students have to do. You will then see their assessment.